Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a peacock using two numbers. We're going to use the number 6 and number 4. I have my daughter here today.
Hi.
Drawing with me. So first we'll start out with the number 6. So you're just going to draw number 6. And then underneath that you're going to do a 4. So like right directly under the 6 you're going to do a 4. So like one of these types of 4s. All right. And then at the ends of the 4, we're gonna add these little toes. So like that. And then, so starting at the bottom here of the 6, we're just gonna come up and we're gonna make a little, like a little head for our peacock. So just like that. All right, and then we're gonna add some feathers here on the side. So we're gonna add 3 feathers. Just make them, you know, as big or small as you want. And then we're gonna add a little circle on the inside of those feathers. All right, and then we're gonna add a little beak to our peacock, and then a little dot for an eye. And then on the head for the peacock, we're just gonna draw these little, like little lines. And then a little circle at the end of those. Okay, and then we're just gonna add some little like grass at the bottom. All right. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and take our black marker and we're gonna go ahead and outline. So just be careful if you're using a big black marker, unless you drew your picture very big. You know, kind of be careful because if you're using a thick marker, it's gonna run together. Be careful with these little things on the top of the head because those are very small. Very close together. Okay, and next we'll take our eraser and gently erase our pencil lines. Okay, so next we're gonna do the coloring. So we're gonna use like purples and blues and greens for our peacock. Generally the peacocks are like green and blue and like turquoisey colors, so we're just gonna outline the little whatever those little strands, I guess, coming on for to the peacock's head. Alright, and I'm gonna use this like orangey yellow for the beak, and then I'm just gonna outline the legs and feet with that marker because there's nothing really to color in there, so I'm just gonna do an outline. Just like that. Do you want to use this? I'll do the grass next. You can use that one. And then our grass, just going to outline it again. Just add a little bit of extra color. Right, and then it's green for the wings. Okay, so that's how you draw a peacock using a number 6 and a number 4. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have many more videos on my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.